Hello everyone. So August is over and here I am to share with you all my progress of August 2023, all dividends that I received and some quick updates. So in this video we'll talk about the dividends I received in August. I will compare the results from 2022 with 2023. The dividend portfolio updates, the stocks I bought, the stocks I sold, my personal finds for August as well, and some life updates, my progress on the road to 100k, and we do a quick prediction of a 10 years portfolio. So how my portfolio be in 10 years based on my current scenario. So let's dive at it. In August, I had 3 dividend payers, and the first of them was Verizon. So Verizon, ticker VZ, paid me for the month of August $24, and it's nice. We can see on May I had my first payment of Verizon, but since I have added shares, I got paid in August here $20 more, and that's nice to see, like the position increasing. And I intend to add more shares of Verizon as I still consider the stock in a very good value. And my second payer for August was Apple, pay me there 72 cents. Very shy. Apple always shy in the time of share dividends. It's not a very strong dividend payer, but it's a good growth there. So yeah, I bought Apple last year when I wasn't very a dividend investor. I wasn't focused on dividends, so yeah. But that's it, we continue receiving our dividends from Apple. And the last dividend payer of my portfolio for the month of August, Arbor Realty Trust, ticker ABR, pay me $43. And it's my dividend juggernaut here in my portfolio. Always, every quarter, will come and bash a good amount of dividends there. And this brings us total month of August of $67.86. My newest record, dividend record for the month. My record was just last month, July, and again, just a month after, I get another record. That's just amazing. That's really amazing. I love to see that record being breaking after records, and it's really nice to see my dividend snowball working slowly but surely, and we'll get there. We retire early, and it's really motivating. Success is motivating, so every small step that we succeed is so motivating, and I'm so excited to invest way more in my portfolio and make this portfolio grow and eventually retire me. This will be very exciting. So as August is the second month of the Q3, now we have for total of the Q3 $132. Q3 doing way better than Q2. That's really nice seeing this progress. Q1, Q2, and Q3. And it's still another month, it's still September to go for the Q3. So this will be exciting. And now let's see how my portfolio has done so far for 2023. But just before that, here I am dividend fire, and I'm seeking to retire as early as possible. I'll be very aggressive to my goals to retire early, and I had breaking down this goal in smaller pieces so I can achieve this goal quicker, because when we have the target very specifically, when we have our aim very focused on a smaller point, I believe we were more able to overtake that challenge and then move on till we achieve a bigger goal. So I have a goal to retire as early as 10 years. I want to retire in 10 years. That's very aggressive, very ambitious. But to achieve that, I broke down in many steps. And the first goal here is active 100,000. We talk more about this in the following video, but I highly recommend if you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything and all progress I'm achieving, every news I have about my journey, as this can help you motivate and even inspire you in your own journey. And please comment your own experience that you inspire me as well. So please, let's share. And again, I highly recommend you to subscribe so you can motivate me to continue coming here and share this content to you guys. So the total for the year 2023 so far, we went January to August, and I'm already doing over $200 just in the year 2023. I'm up over 31% when I compare to 2022. That's really nice and really motivating to see. And we still have September, October, November, December. We still have 4 months to go for the end of the year to bring this number way higher. So I'm so excited to see how much I'll achieve by the end of 2023. I'm so excited. But let's move on. For the stocks I bought this month, the additions to my portfolio, new additions for the month of August. So Crown Castle, first time added to my portfolio. Crown Castle, I added 10 shares, bring a total of 10 shares. My dividend yield on cost is 5.77. The current yield is over 6%, a really nice starting yield here. I intend to add more shares of Crown Castle to my portfolio. My average cost is just over 108, and I'm down 8% on Crown Castle. Another new addition to my portfolio was Realty Income. And people say, what? A dividend investor that didn't have Realty Income? Yes, that was me. But now I have, and I'm really happy having this addition to my portfolio as I added 18 shares, bringing me a total with 18 shares. My dividend yield cost is 5.21, and the current yield is 5.46. So my average cost for Realty Income is just over $58, nearly $59. And I'm down nearly 5% on the stocks. I also intend to add more shares of Realty Income, as for me is a very attractive price. I also add more shares of MPW, which I also consider being in an attractive price at this moment. I added more 36 shares this month of August, bringing my total shares for MPW 136, giving me a yield on cost now after the dividend cut of 6.65%, and the current yield for who is buying right now is over 8%. My average cost is $90, and I'm just down nearly 20%. I also intend to add more shares of MPW. I intend to bring MPW up to 200 shares. I have videos in the channel giving my opinion about MPW. If you didn't watch yet, you can check there. So those was my new additions to my portfolio by the month of August. I want to quickly talk about my personal finance for August as well, to give some life updates. So quick here, my salary was over $3,600 for the month of August. I didn't add, my goal is adding $500 every single month towards dividend, and adding 5%, $500 as well per month to my extra mortgage payments to pay my mortgage faster. But as I said in the previous video, I didn't have my mortgage yet, but the update is I got my mortgage, I got my house key, and now I'm a house owner. I own my house. I'm so excited, so happy for that. And so I escaped the rent hell. Some people think rent is better than buying a house. Okay, each one has your own strategies, but for my strategy, rent is not good for me. I prefer owning a house, paying down this mortgage as fast as possible, and then I don't have the biggest bill in my life, that's the rent. So I'll be so excited when I don't have to pay mortgage repayments anymore. I'll have a house the whole paid down, and I will activate that by paying my mortgage early as possible. So starting from September, so I didn't invest my $500, so I intend to put $500 every month to our dividend stocks, and I've been doing that since January, July, and August. Because the house purchase, I wasn't able to do that, and from September on, I'll be able to come back with my 500. And on September specifically, I'll put 1,000. I intend to put 1,000 September so I can compensate for August. And I'll see in following months if I can compensate July so I can achieve the goal of the year of invest 3,000. But also start from September, I'll be putting 500 extra for my mortgage down payment, and that will be really exciting. Brings comparing the 500 that I invest monthly for my current salary. This we can say that I invest in my dividend portfolio around 14% of my earnings. I have a YouTube earnings here as zero as my channel is not monetized yet, but will be monetized at some point, and I will come to share you guys all my earnings that I have in YouTube here, as I also intend to invest in my dividend portfolio all the earnings received in YouTube. Now let's share a bit of progress on the 100K journey. So my total portfolio by the end of August was just over 12,000, and my dividend yield around 5%, a bit higher, but nearly 5%. And so I beat the mark of 10,000. And my next challenge is beat the mark of 25,000. We work hard to get there. We work hard and we'll get there. So I'm currently of my goal of achieving 100,000. I'm over 12% on this goal, and the bar is loading, and we'll get there. We'll get there with focus and commitment. Share will we get there. And so that's why I highly recommend for you to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything, any step of this journey, because I'm sharing everything. My salary, YouTube earnings when I have it, dividend progress, everything I'm sharing with you guys. And I'm so excited because this motivates me. When I come here share with you guys all my progress, this motivates me because I watch this type of content as well. I watch other YouTubers that have this type of content. I enjoy a lot, and I think like, okay, I guess some people will enjoy I share my journey as well, because everyone has your life, your own experience, and this is very unique, and I'm pretty sure everyone has something interesting to share. Let's now do a quick prediction. I'm using the website here is the Track Your Dividends. This website has they kind of base on the dividend 5-year dividend growth rate of your portfolio and your dividend yield. They kind of do an estimation how much your portfolio will do in certain years. Of course, this is just estimation, so this will vary in the future, but it's nice, is entertaining to do, so I enjoy quite a lot. So I can say my 5-year dividend growth rate for my portfolio is just over 7%, and a dividend yield just 5%. I have an expected annual income to receive from my dividends of 632, and I'm expected to, if I add no money to my portfolio, just reinvest in my dividends, I'm expected in 10 years to be receiving over $2,000 a year. That would be nice, yeah? But the current scenario is I add 500 every single month. So I can go here in the annual contribution. Since I add 500 every month, this makes a total contribution per year of 6,000. And let's just update the charts to see what they say. So in 10 years, investing with my current dividend growth rate, my current dividend yield is expecting 10 years, adding 500 every single month, I'll be getting over 7,000. This is by far not enough to retire. They say my portfolio will be just value over 100,000. So according to this prediction, they're saying that I'll achieve my goal, my step of 100,000 in 10 years. And definitely I won't be able to retire in 10 years. 7,000 is far not enough to retire. So I intend to be very aggressive. At this moment, now I invest only 500 per month, but I intend to invest more. At some point I'll be investing more. At some point I'll be investing 1,000 a month. Eventually 1,500, eventually 2,000, and I'll be working very hard to increase this amount, because this will help me to achieve my goal faster. So that's why I don't want to be very repetitive saying, oh, subscribe to the channel to follow this journey, but if you're interested to see this journey, please, it will be very motivating if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I know that you are interested in seeing this progress. This will motivate me a lot. So that's it for today, guys. I'm very excited to continue coming here and share with you guys all this news, and see you next video. Bye bye.